Ever been on a drive when your car's temperature gauge starts creeping into the red? Here's what to do if your car begins to overheat. Step 1. Safely pull over and turn off the AC to reduce strain on the engine. Step 2. Wait at least 30 minutes for the engine to cool before opening the hood. This helps to ensure your safety. Step 3. Check the coolant levels. If they're low, add the correct type of coolant if you're able to, but be sure to wait until the engine has cooled. Once you've topped off the coolant and ensured your engine isn't overheating, you can keep driving, but continue to keep an eye on the temperature gauge. Need additional help? AAA Roadside Assistance is just a click or call away. From towing to getting you back on the road safely, we're always here to help. And remember, routine maintenance can help prevent costly repairs. Our mobile app can make your roadside experience easier, and you can even track your technician's arrival. Download the AAA Mobile App today for peace of mind on the road.